Those are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hey, good day trader, StockLegends.com. Today we're going to look at MCII March 9th, 2012. Before we get into the technicals, this is looking like a great opportunity, but please go to StockLegends.com and follow us on Twitter. You can also find our investment research report. Will be posted up here over the weekend. You'll see ticker MCII. Be sure to read it, and be sure to join our newsletter. Enter your name and email address and select join. Going back to the technicals here, this is a 6-month chart. Not a lot of volume or movement here. You can see volume was very minimal here, periods of multiple days without any shares traded, but we did see volume begin to pick up here around November, and some buying interest came in, started to push the stock upwards, and I drew a blue support trend line. You can see this is pushing the stock price up. Found some resistance around the 4-cent area. Our support trend got broken. We had a nice pullback. Again, opposite reaction here. We drew a resistance line pushing the price down. Once we kind of broke this trend line, the stock had a nice rally. Drew support, broke it, and we're again at that point where we've broken our resistance, and the stock looks like it's just getting ready to break out and run. We had after the breakout point, we had several days of sideways movement. Similar here, you can see that the selling pressure got broken and the price sort of consolidated, and then some buying volume came in and ran the price back up to 4 cents. So this is certainly a resistance area. 4 cents is probably going to be the likely target that we're going to be looking at here. Currently just below 1 cent, closed at 0.009. So big opportunity here for a big run. Again, we're getting similar signals here. If we look at our MACD, which is our momentum indicator, I've drawn red lines here where the MACD lines cross down, and blue lines here where the MACD lines cross up. So we can see coinciding indicators where right around the time where our support trend breaks, our MACD lines cross down. Where our resistance line breaks, the MACD line crosses up, signaling a run. Again, red line comes in where the MACD crosses over, confirms a downward trend. You see the similar pattern, support breaks, and now we're at that similar indicator again where the MACD line's crossing upwards. The price is broken past the resistance, so we're just waiting for some volume to come in. Volume's been a little bit on the light side. As soon as some volume starts to come in, the price is getting ready to run, and traders are going to start to take notice. We have another indicator here. This is the Bollinger Bands. It's actually these gray lines, and what I wanted to point out is that when the volatility usually gets real tight, that signals that the price is going to get ready to make a move. Usually some people call it a pinch. When the Bollinger Bands pinch together, that suggests the volatility is really tight, and usually the Bollinger Bands open right up again and the stock starts to run. You can see in upward trends, the price usually stays along the top Bollinger Band. In downward trends, the price usually stays along the lower Bollinger Band, but also we have the Bollinger Bands pinch right in here. The Bollinger Bands come in right here before a move, and the Bollinger Bands again are coming in right here. We're going to probably expect a move very shortly. And this is also coinciding when the Bollinger Bands, when this line here is near the bottom, it's showing the Bollinger Bands are pinching. So you can see that we've kind of got a pinch in this area, a pinch in this area, and a pinch in this area. So it looks like we're going to get high volatility coming up very shortly. Currently RSI certainly is not overbought. It's been sitting here just around the 30-40 line here for quite a while, so we're in the oversold territory. You can see on the prior spikes we came very close to 70, and also we were a little over 70 up in here in this run, but certainly you can see the RSI sort of holds this upward movement here for a while. So we can't really say as soon as it touches this line it's going to get overbought. Looking at past history, it's a little difficult to tell, because we had a period where we had the RSI held its 70 to 80 level for quite a while. Here it just about touched 70, and that signaled the top. So certainly we should probably be able to come back up into the 70 area at least once, possibly maybe into the 80 area before we get another overbought signal. Currently at 41, certainly has some room to go. Thanks very much for watching, and happy trading.